Today I will show you how to fix WhatsApp cannot log in on desktop. First, make sure both your phone and your Windows computer have a stable internet connection. Now close the WhatsApp desktop app completely. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Apps and Features. Find WhatsApp in the list and click Advanced Options. Here you will see different repair tools. First, choose Terminate to shut down all running processes. After that, choose Reset. This will return the app to default settings. If the issue continues, uninstall the WhatsApp desktop app. Restart your computer. When Windows has restarted, open the Microsoft Store and install WhatsApp again. If you still cannot log in, open the Start menu and search for Internet options. Click it to open. Go to the Content tab and click Clear SSL State. Then go to the Advanced tab and click Restore Advanced Settings. Confirm by selecting Apply and then OK. This can fix hidden connection problems that block WhatsApp from signing in. After completing these steps, open WhatsApp Desktop again and try linking your phone one more time. Thanks for watching.